Minister, it's to ask the passenger name record bill when that will be introduced, and if it will take up the issue of a sinister and chilling experience of a US-based academic in an Irish airport last week. Catherine Kelly, who was stopped at the airport by two plainclothes gardaí, asked her name, if she used social media, and if she'd written an article about Minister Regina Doherty and her business dealings, that a complaint had been made and she was cautioned not to tweet Minister Doherty or any material relevant to her.
When will the legislation be introduced?
This relates to legislation.
Yeah,
she was told to sign a statement. Or she would, her name was obviously given by an airline to the Gardaí. She was told to sign a statement or she wouldn't be allowed to proceed to the gate. In the blog, she merely raised issues about the Minister's dealings in a bankrupt company in 2009.
No, you're taking it. If it's promised legislation, the Minister will answer. But it's
this is about promised legislation. Is the government
what
going
legislation?
to...
Sorry.
More censorship.
Count Corley, can I finish my point, please?
Deputy Barry. Barry, withdraw that this is censorship.
No, well, will you let me speak?
I'm complying with the regulations that I have to implement that you're party of. Deputy Coppinger, please cooperate.
Just finish. Minister, Cathaoirleach, please. We've heard a lot about social media this week, and is it now government policy to attack anybody who criticises anyone in the government on social media in this very sinister way,
if it's appropriate.
In a very legitimate article, not abusive, that raised questions?
There are members who have waited here patiently all day, and you got in by virtue of the fact that you're representing your group, and there are others behind you. Minister.
The bill which was mentioned, I understand preparatory work has been done in the Department of Justice.